Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super exciting video. We're going to be unboxing the Spectrum mystery boxes. Before we get into it, if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help out my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell on as well, because I upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, although this week so far I've uploaded every single day. So anyways, let's just get straight into it. So Spectrum did these mystery boxes. They retailed for £40, and there was, to begin with, there was three different ones. So there was like strawberries and cream, there was salted caramel, which is what I got, and then there was dark chocolate mint or something. These literally sold out within like a couple of hours. I think it might even been an hour of them going up for sale, because they actually contain 10 to 15 products inside for £40, which is absolutely crazy. I even managed to find a code to get 10% off as well, so it was just absolute bargain. This is what the salted caramel one looks like. This is what all the packaging looks like, I believe, and then obviously the insides are just a little bit different. They did launch an extra box, which was like kind of a mixture of the three previous boxes, like little bits from each one, a bit later on in the kind of evening. But I just went for this one because this one sounded more like me. It sounded like warm tones. Yeah, just salted caramel, that's just me. So let's just get straight into it, because when I tell you this is jam-packed, oh, it's jam-packed. Right, let's just get straight into it. So, as you can see in the top, there is a lot of brushes. So, I didn't know what kind of collection of brushes you would get in this one, but it seems like it's like the Zodiac kind of collection that you get. So, to begin with, we have the Zodiac A03 brush. We also got the A05. The packaging on this is beautiful. I did not expect it to be like the starry one. I thought it was going to be more of like the tortoise kind of shell coloured one, but this one is pretty as well, but that one was like perfecto. And then you also got this double-ended one. This is the B09. These brushes, by the way, are so pricey by themselves, so the fact that you get so much in this box is just unbelievable. We have the A17. I absolutely love Spectrum brushes as well. I always use their big fluffy brush to put my powder on after my foundation. And then we have this one, which is the A10, which is a little fan brush. I never really use these kind of fan brushes, so I'll probably put this into my giveaway box for one of you guys. And then we also got this little set of white brushes as well. So this is the A27, the A18 and the B07, and these look beautiful. Really nice kind of eye brushes. Look at them. This reminds me, I think this is from like their kind of more bridal range of brushes, but they look beautiful. That middle one looks really nice, the B07. That looks really nice. Okay, we still have a box full, like, oh my god. So let's just get into, we've got a couple more brushes, so we'll do the brushes first. So we have two different types of brushes. We have a little mini one, so it's a mini of the A04 brush, so it's a tapered finishing brush. She looks adorable. Oh my god, she's baby soft. Oh my god, look at her. See, that'd be perfect putting into your handbag if you just want to like sort your powder out, put a bit of extra blusher on. Like, you could do so much of that one little brush if you're just going to kind of pop it in your handbag. But that is so cute. I know you can get this little mini set from Boots, because I was eyeing them up before, the individual ones. This one I did not expect at all. So this is from the Disney Villains range that they did. So this is the Cruella de Vil brush, and you open it, if I can do it myself, like this. And then inside, it's another one that you can put into your handbag. So you lift it up, and I've been wanting to try these Villains range of brushes that they did, because Soph always uses them, like Soph Does Nails or Soph Does Life now, or just Soph does them in her videos. And I just love the fact that one side is white and one side is black. Like, it's on, I'm absolutely obsessed with Disney, and the quality of this is so nice. Like, it's so luxurious. I think that's the thing with Spectrum, like the things are a little bit more on the more expensive side for what they are. However, the quality just makes it literally next to none. Okay, so everything else that's in this box is now makeup, which makes me so happy, because so far we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brushes, and we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think there's a few items in this one, so maybe 8 items. Like, this has gone above and beyond what they even said you were going to get in this package. This might technically be counted as one, but I count that as 3 brushes. So shall we go into the big one first? We have this one here. So this is again from that Zodiac range. This is the Zodiac Spectrum Sunray Highlighter, and I've already opened this to have a little nosy at it. And it looks beautiful. So it says, give your complexion a golden luminosity with Sunray, our wonderfully smooth powder highlighter. A creamy gold base is deepened with drops of rich shimmery yellow gold for a soft focus sheen with golden accents, which is one of the reasons that I really wanted to go for this box, because it kind of said like about being a golden goddess. And I was like, I want to be a golden goddess. I want that box. So that's why I got it. And this is what it looks like. Oh my God. So beautiful. I actually can't wait to just get that all over my face. I've never tried any of Spectrum's makeup as well, so I'm really excited to actually get my hands on it. Another thing that they've put in from the Zodiac range, this is the Dark Matter Black Mascara. Haven't actually opened this, to be fair. There's some that I didn't open because I was in the middle of munching on my banana when it came. That is not a euphemism. This is what it looks like, Spectrum Dark Matter. I'm actually not going to open it because I've got 2 or 3 open mascaras at the moment, so I'll wait until it's time to actually open a new one because I don't want it to go to waste. Then we have 2 more from the Zodiac range. So we have the Cosmic Drops. So this is a face and body liquid shimmer, and I think this one's in the shade Zodiac Dawn. Ooh, this is what it looks like. So this is literally going to be a golden goddess moment with this. So this is what it looks like. It might be a little bit too dark for me. I'd have to have a little, let's put some in the back of my hand and have a little look, because sometimes these sheer out. Oh my God, it's like, I can't even show you because it'll fall all over. Okay, so it does sheer out a lot, so it would be one that I would put on kind of underneath my foundation instead of, ooh, excuse me, hiccups, instead of on top, just to give me a bit of a bronze glow underneath. And then the other one is one of their metallic lipsticks. This is in the shade Venus. I absolutely love the packaging that they do for their lipsticks. I really need to pick up more of these because, well, pick up some of these because I haven't actually bought any yet. But this is one of the metallic ones, and this is what it looks like. To be honest with you, I know that obviously this have been put in to, like, obviously be a nice little thingy, but a metallic lipstick isn't really going to be one that I reach for, to be honest. Yeah, if you want me to do like a video, like a first impressions of trying out some of this stuff, please do let me know, because there is a couple of like makeup-y bits that I could try alongside the brushes. And if you want me to, I'll try this lipstick and see if I can make it look super, super, super cute. But you all know I love lipstick anyway, but I would have liked it to not be a metallic one. But we might be able to make it work. It might look just like super, super shiny and just like juicy on the lips, so don't knock it until we try it. And then another one from the makeup products is another liquid highlighter. So this is from the Ocean Drop Spectrum Oceana range, and this is a face and body liquid highlighter. I'm sure that's what the other one was described as. Yeah, that was Cosmic Drops, and this is, oh my God, this is Ocean Drops. I mean, you can see the glitter stuck on the side. Let me give it a bit of a shake. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to catch that on camera, but it has like a gold of like a pearl pink reflex to it. That is stunning. This is definitely one that I could put on top of my foundation and stuff. Oh my God, it is just like liquid shimmer. You see, oh my God, look at it. Wow. Okay, so the last little thing, which I expected to be a couple of like brushes inside here. So it just says True Beauty is on the inside of this box. So let's have a little look. But it's actually little eyeshadow pans. So we could literally do a good little testing video with some of this stuff, because ooh, we have 3 different little eyeshadow pans in here as well. So we have Nebula, which looks like more of a dark brown. So this is what Nebula looks like. Put so much stuff in this box. This is another one. This one's gorgeous, a nice goldy one. Again, goes really well with that golden goddess theme that they said. This is the Solstice. I can't say that. And then the last one we have is Galaxy, which is another shimmery one. Ooh, ooh, do you know what it looks like? It looks like the blue-brown pigment from MAC when everyone used to absolutely rave about that. So it's like a brown, but then in the light it reflects back like a blue shimmer. Really, 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 really nice. Look at it. Oh my God. Absolutely beautiful. So that's literally everything that you got in this £40 box. which is just absolutely crazy. So we've got 3 eyeshadows, we've got 2 liquid highlighter little drops, we've got a metallic lipstick, we've got a full size, like literally all of this is basically full size apart from that little mini brush. We've got a full size mascara, a full size highlighter, and then obviously we've got the Disney villains, we've got the little mini brush, we've got the little trio of eyeshadow brushes, and then we have all of these as well, which is just actually crazy. I'm so impressed. I think they've absolutely smashed this mystery box, and from this I will definitely be getting more in the future, because you can never have enough brushes, let's be serious, especially if you're lazy like me and try to use them all up before washing them. This is currently my wash pile of brushes, so you can literally never have enough of them. And obviously with the makeup and stuff, it's never been something that I've tried from Spectrum, so this is all brand new to me. So I am 10 out of 10 absolutely buzzing with this box, and I really hope that everybody else who's bought theirs gets really impressed by it as well, because God, I'm shook off to the core. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you want to join my little Patreon, I will leave it linked down below. I just want to say thank you to my patrons for being so lovely and for being so patient. Normally I show them like my parcels when they arrive, and I was like, I'm not showing you what's inside this box. I'm gonna literally film it and get it up by like 5 o'clock today, hopefully. It's like 3 o'clock when I'm just finishing it off now, so hopefully you've seen it before then. So yeah, thank you so much for being so patient. Love you all so much. If you want to join my little community, the link is down below. A little video is linked down below on how to join as well. Starts as little as £1 a month. Love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you probably tomorrow, let's be serious, for a brand new video, because I've been uploading daily this week. So peace out, see you tomorrow.